Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Venus McFlytrap from Monster High G3 Skulltimate Secrets Garden Mysteries. I am very excited, and you'll definitely hear my cat Lucky and his shenanigans as he runs around or meows or tries to play with the accessories of this doll later, but we will see. He's still a very new cat for me, so sometimes it's hard for me to predict exactly what he'll do. Sometimes he's in a more chill mood, and sometimes he gets the zoomies. No matter what, he is very adorable. So anyway, the video I posted right before this, I unboxed the Jaculora from this line. I did not get Twyla just because I'm not as interested in getting that design specifically right now, at least, and I'm trying not to force myself to be a completionist, and I only want to get the ones that I actually want to get. So yeah, I also got a Cleo Denial doll on the same Target run that I got the two Garden Mysteries dolls, so I'll show on the screen a screenshot of how that math added up of getting those dolls and then getting the discounts and stuff. It's hard to say exactly how much of a deal I got on the dolls themselves because the discounts applied to all the things I got on that Target run, which was more than just the dolls. So I don't know. I'm interested in seeing what other people pay for different dolls and what deals they got on them and things like that. So I want to show how much I paid for them, but sometimes the math is not as clear. This time I have learned from the past, I'm gonna hide my channel mascot in my pocket so that Lucky does not play with it and get it stuck under my fridge or just attack it in general. So anyway, here we go. Here is the packaging. I really like this art of Venus, and I love this art. I think it's so cute. And yeah, so here we go. All right, there it is. And I will probably save this at least for now. Also learning from my mistakes, I'm gonna get this out of Lucky's reach so he doesn't get stuck in here like he did for the last one. Oh my gosh, and he's jumping up on the doll shelf right now. Lucky. Lucky. Okay. I also want to mention that I am filming this video a little in advance to when I'm actually going to post it. But when I post it, it's going to be super close to when I graduate. Oh my gosh. I mean, it already feels so close because it's not that long. It's just like a little over 2 weeks for me till I graduate, but I graduate May 2nd from the University of Cincinnati. So that is super exciting. I am a film major. Oh my gosh, you just knocked a doll stand off of my desk. But anyway, yeah. I'm very ready to be done with school, and I definitely want to commit more time to this channel and other creative projects that I might mention on here at some point, but we'll see. For now, let's get the key and the instructions off of here. And of course, this one's different than the last one in terms of the color scheme. Instead of pink and red, it is pink and green. Oh, that's cool. Hello. Yeah, I love the design of these. It would be kind of making more sense if they switched these to have the middle be green and these be red, because then or pink, because then the flowers would be pink. But then I think the cracking the code wouldn't work. I think this has to be red for how the colors work. And since now, after doing it once, I'm definitely an expert on how to do this. I don't need the directions, but I still want to look at them because I like the art of the instructions. So let's take a look. Ooh. there it is. I think this art of the dolls is so cute. And then there we go. I show this more in my previous video, but if you don't already know, these reveal the pieces that you'll get once you open the bags inside this contraption here. And they will be amongst the other accessories. And as you see there, you'll find them in the bags. And then after you put them together, you put them right there, slide up the doll, and take her out. And then this just shows like all the pieces that are inside and little extra bits and bobs that you attach to the thing at the end, which I will show you that at the end. Now it is time to open this up. And I did try to peek through here when I was at the store to see if she had any flaws that were really standing out on the face, but from what I could tell, she looked really good, so I'm excited. So let's go ahead and unlock this side first. There we go. Okay, pull that out. I like the art of this with the thorns. The pink thorns, that is very Venus. I love it. What lucky. All right, so there is one of the pieces. Interesting that it's gray, even though it has like those speckles in there. Is it supposed to look like a rock material or something? And we've got a hanger and another hanger. And I will show all of these up close later. We've got this cup. Ooh, this is cute. And then we've got this rod for the hangers. And, oh, is there something else small in there? Oh, interesting. We have one of those honey things. I didn't even realize that came with this. Okay, and then the next bag. What's in here? Ooh, we've got a purse. Oh, nice. Got another piece of that thing. We've got this doll stand piece. And that is all that is in that one. And okay, time to open up the next one. Go. I believe this one is going to have the second outfit, which this is what I'm most excited for. Ooh, we've got these shoes. Ooh, this gorgeous top. Oh, love it. And yes, the velvet skirt. Oh my god, so pretty. Ooh. And then we've got this, which, just like this piece for Draculaura, this pattern matches the bags. I love that detail. Okay, we've got one more of these bags to open up. Ah, it's so satisfying. Okay. Oh, whoa, that's really pretty. It's like this teapot. Ooh, interesting feeling material. Cool. And we've got this last piece of the thing. Don't know what to call it. And these earrings. Oh wait, that's so cute. These are like those plants that you hang up in little baskets. That's a cute idea. I'm gonna throw away this plastic so Lucky doesn't try to eat it. And set this paper aside to save, at least for now, but who knows how long I'll hold on to it. Okay, also there's the back, by the way. It's more of a purple shade, actually. Now let's assemble the piece. We got this, and then we put this right here, and then that goes right there, and then this goes right here. Boom, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my gosh. She is so pretty. I love Venus so much. She's one of my favorite characters, just based on design. I haven't watched the show or anything, but she's so gorgeous. So let's get her out of here. Yes, okay. I love these mesh tights. I wish they were like this for Draculaura, or at least coming up to here, maybe not full tights, but that would have been so cute. I don't know why they didn't do that for Draculaura. Wow, this outfit is really cute. I was mostly excited for the second outfit, but this one is really nice. And I probably will keep the tights on for the second outfit. Here we go. This just feels like the right doll to be unboxing kind of near my graduation and be posting near my graduation, because she's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. Let's get this off of her so her hair can flow freely. Interesting how the band around her hair is kind of wrapped around her shoulders like that. Okay, here we go. She has a little bit of frizz going on, or loose hair, but that is okay. I don't even know if you can see that. Oh my gosh, I love this. Some of these strands are a little bit bent, but I bet just a boil wash would fix that, which I have yet to try, so I will eventually try that. I do wish that the braids extended, like, I'm not sure how I feel about all of these layers being like different lengths. I kind of wish they were all even, but I don't know. I like the colors. I like the color blend a lot. I like how there's a mix of straight hair and these pretty braids. I love this side part there, and I love the edges there. They're so pretty. And her face makeup is very pretty. And I love the fangs, and her ear having like this leaf design is just so cool. I love her. Oh my gosh, and these shoes are so cool. Okay, let's turn around the camera and we'll look closer at everything and also redress her. All right, so here she is with all the accessories. I love her so much. She's so pretty. So here you can see a closer look at the details on the face. Just so gorgeous. And here's the dress and corset. I really like how they look. And tights. I'm not the biggest fan of these seams, but I don't know how you would avoid that. And it's fine because they are hiding in the back anyway. Then these shoes are really cool. Again, for these, they don't go all the way on the foot, the tights, but it'd be really nice if they did. Since they don't, I think they could have just left this not open, because that's kind of weird having tights, but then your bare heels are out. Like, that just seems a little odd to me. But besides that, I think this is close to a perfect doll, in my opinion at least, just for my personal taste. I really like these shoes with the thorns all over them and the pink and black. I think they're just really, really cute. But let's go ahead and put her in her second outfit. So I am going to show the process of me undressing and redressing the doll, so if that's boring to you, you can skip around. But yeah, let's go ahead. Well, lucky. And there's how the dress looks without the corset. Oh, no, no thank you. See, this is what I was a little nervous about. Okay, mascot is back in my pocket. There we go. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna take the tights off for now, just so we can see what the second outfit was intended to look like, and then I will kind of rearrange the fashions how I want them to be. But anyway, I'm kind of scared I'm gonna rip this, but I'll just have to be careful. Okay, there we go. I really like the vine patterns on her legs. There we go. So now let's put on this piece first. It is kind of dented from the packaging to be like that, but I think it's going to be fine since it will be under the other piece. And I learned, if you saw my last video, how to take off the hands. That was very scary for me, but I'm pretty new to doll collecting, so I was unaware and intimidated by how to remove these hands, but now I feel better about it, so here we go. There we go. Boom. That was easy. Wait, this is so cute. I feel like doll collecting is gonna actually help me find my own personal style, because I am trying to explore what kind of fashion style I want to wear, and not everything that I think is pretty would necessarily work for me to wear, but it does at least give me inspiration for like what things to try out. And this is so pretty. Let's give her back her hands. There we go. And then let's put on the skirt. It's so pretty. Whoever designed the outfits for Venus and Draculaura for this line did such a good job. It's so pretty. Put this last piece on. And I love how similar they are, yet so different. Like, it had the same 3 general pieces, but they're all so different from each other. Oh my gosh. Let's get those back over here. Oops. Is it just me or is this bow slightly messed up? I don't know. It's fine. But yeah, oh my god. This outfit is so cute. Okay, let's see it with the shoes. That's so cute. I really like the idea of the vines kind of going up the legs, and that is a very cute outfit. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put the tights back on her and do the other shoes and see how that looks. Try to get the seams to be on the back, and then add these shoes back. Oop. There we go. Oh my god, this doll is so stunning. So now let's look at her other accessories. So here is the purse. It's really cute. Nice. And I've got the V for Venus. We've got her honey serving thing. I forget what this is called. And then we've got this beautiful cup that looks like flower petals with the vines coming out. I think this is a really fun design. And then we've got the earrings. Let's go ahead and put those in. Cute. Oh yeah, and then this also fell earlier. Here's the teapot. And it almost feels like maybe a resin material. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I like pink and green. I keep saying it, but I just think it's so pretty. Definitely reminds me of Wicked. Let's see if this top part comes up. Ooh, I was not expecting that to have this cool thing in there. Cool. It seems like it would be really fun to play with and be like they're serving the drink and everything. This part does not come out though. But that's okay. And yeah, so now let's put this outfit into the closet, which I guess we'd put it on like that. And then we can put this right there. And hang up the dress here. And there we go. And then real quick before I close out the video, I do want to show a comparison of her outfit with Draculaura's. So here is Draculaura, and as you can see, they have the same three basic pieces. A sheer long sleeve top with some shiny metallic pattern on it, the velvet skirt with bows on it, and then this satin top with lace. But you can see the lace is placed differently. This one has straps while this one does not. The bows are in different places here and they have different slices in the fabric. and of course the pattern and the colors are different. So I don't know, I just really like how they do that, and I think Monster High does that in a lot of their lines, so it's just so cool. And then the last thing is to show this. So this piece goes right here, and you can swing it up, which I didn't really do in the last one, but that way she can fit in there, get her hair in there better. Okay, and then slide it down, and that way, oh really you're supposed to do this with it up and down, but okay, let me fix that. Let me move this out of the way. And you go like this, she doesn't fall forward. Oh yeah, and you can put this wherever you want in any of these heart-shaped spots, and then you can put the doll on there. So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots.